now I want to talk to you about chapter 2, which is about double clutching. And double clutching takes what I've just demonstrated and adds one more layer, which helps you to take care of your synchronizers in the transmission and helps reduce wear in the gearbox. So double clutching, I'm going to show you the throttle, I'm going to show you the pedals here, put on the e-brake. So for double clutching, I'm in third gear, I'm going along, vroom vroom, there's third gear, let's go to wide angle. And now I want to drop into second, so I'm going to go clutch in, neutral, clutch out, rev, clutch in, second gear, a little bit of gas, and clutch out in second. So the way that looks is I'm in third, vroom, vroom, and ease out the clutch. Can you see that? Let's see if I can give you a little better angle. So I'm in third, I'm going along, spin up the clutch, the transmission in neutral, clutch in, I came off the gas, second gear, clutch out, and a little bit of gas to rev match. So third, vroom, second, and out. So third, clutch in, vroom, clutch in again, off the gas for a split second, on the gas, and ease it out. Does that make sense? That way I'm spinning the gearbox in neutral in between my downshift, and that helps all the gears mate smoothly and effortlessly. Let's go for a drive and try that. Okay, double clutching. And double clutching with a downshift. So this is a Datsun 5-speed, fully synchronized gearbox. We use Ford 5-speeds. We've got another new 5-speed coming that is all about making shifting as easy as possible. The non-synchro first transmissions tend to be wearing and hard for people to get used to. So here we are, we're coming to a turn, right turn signal, I'm in third gear. I'll do the first one slowly. Second gear, neutral, rev it, clutch in, a little bit of rev match, and there's second gear. And that is a nice thing to do to the synchronizers in your gearbox. By doing it that way, keeps things buttery smooth. All right, here's another turn. That's a double clutch with rev matching. You notice that we didn't have, here's that awful thing that people tend to do, which is this, right? It's, jerky motion. So the double clutch smooths all that out, the rev matching smooths all that out, and at the same time you make your gearbox very happy along the way. So we'll try that again a couple more times and see if I can make this easy for you folks to learn and get right. Always smooth. If you're jerking, you know you're doing something wrong. If your upshifts, downshifts are jerky, you're doing something wrong. If you're grinding, you're doing something wrong. And we got to always figure out, call us and we'll help you. We have all the parts, we have all the tech help, whatever we can do, because noise generally wears things out. Okay, second gear, 4,000, third gear. I'm in this sort of middle range. In the upshift video, we talked about shifting kind of in the middle range where you're within the power band of the engine. Okay, third gear, stop sign, so neutral, rev match, second gear, nice and smooth. You'll notice I almost never downshift into first while I'm rolling because it tends to be extra hard on the synchros. So that's a nice thing to do as well. 4,000 into second gear. 3,700 was just plenty. Third gear. Fourth gear. Now we want more power. Okay, vroom. And now I'm on the gas again. Upshift to fourth. Hope this is making sense. And now we want to add some braking, so I put the ball of my foot on the pedal and with the outside of my foot, I rolled it onto the gas pedal. But you notice I was able to downshift into second without jerking, without overloading the clutch, and I'm being very kind to my gearbox at the same time. No grinding, no resistance, I'm not slamming it. I'm pausing for a beat between neutral and fourth. I'm pausing, going into third. I'm braking for the school bus, heel toeing. You see I'm on the brake, but I'm rocking the outside of my foot. That's called heel toeing, so you're able to add one more function, which is the braking action. Anyway, thank you for coming with me on a drive. I hope that helps you. I have another video that's similar in an MGB and another one in a Morris Minor Traveler. So if that helps you, you can watch those videos as well. And I'm so glad you could come with us today. My lights are going back on, so people hopefully will better see me coming. And thank you for driving with us today from Bugeyeguys. Have a great day.